Hello and welcome to this video on healthy snack ideas for kids. Snacks can play an important role in a child's diet, providing them with the energy and nutrients they need to grow and thrive. However, many pre-packaged snacks are high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, making it difficult to find healthy options. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of fiber, vitamins, and minerals for a child's diet, and sharing some tasty and nutritious snack ideas that kids will love. Benefit number 1. Fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping to keep the digestive system functioning smoothly and preventing constipation. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can also help control hunger and promote feelings of fullness. Benefit number 2. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are essential for growth, development, and overall health. Foods like nuts, seeds, and dairy products are rich in vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Snack idea number 1. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and make for a healthy and delicious snack option. Some of the best options include apple slices with peanut butter, carrot sticks with hummus, grape tomatoes with mozzarella cheese. Snack idea number 2. Yogurt parfait. Yogurt parfaits are a fun and nutritious snack option that kids will love. To make a yogurt parfait, simply layer yogurt, fresh fruit, and granola in a cup or bowl. Snack idea number 3. Whole grain crackers and cheese. Whole grain crackers and cheese are a great source of fiber, protein, and calcium, making them a healthy and satisfying snack option. Try pairing crackers with a slice of cheese, or spread a little peanut butter or cream cheese on top for extra flavor. Snack idea number 4. Energy bites. Energy bites are a tasty and nutritious snack that kids can make themselves. Simply mix together oats, nut butter, honey, and dried fruit, then roll into balls. These energy bites are easy to make and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. In conclusion, incorporating healthy snacks into a child's diet can help provide them with the energy, vitamins, and minerals they need to grow and thrive. By offering a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grain options, you can help your child develop a love for healthy eating that will last a lifetime.